p.m. Bumili ng ticket sa SM Ticketnet and Ticket World outlets at via satellite at 9 p.m. dito po sa atin. Simula itong ating overtime, a 5-minute extension. Matapos sumabol down by 8 in the last 1 minute and 25 itong Barako Bull. Samantala yung tikada mula sa labas itong si Gary David. Kinapos naman, yung second win mukhang nakukuha dito kinito. Although you were mentioning about yung shallow rotation ng Barako Bull, pero sagad na sagad ng mga players. Laban pa rin.
Sagad na sagad na nga itong nucleus na ginagamit ni Toraman.
Danny Siegel, free from outside, pero lalapit ito. Vintage yung kanyang tira. Japet Aguilar, sumabit naman sa braso.
Kanina napanggit natin, happy birthday to Raiko Toraman. Happy birthday din kay Bruno Shandong. At happy birthday din sa ating matalik na kaibigan, Konsehal Yayoy Alcoseba ng Cebu. Siya pa yung coach ng M. Luer Huerta Padala ng Southwestern University. Has had a very storied basketball career as a coach. Si Konsehal Yayoy, mabuhay ka!
Kaya may yata binati si Coach Yayoy dahil nako may player niya. 88-86. Barako with those free throws. Ito si Danny Siegel, nakalamang na ng dalawa. Japet Aguilar, nawala yung bola after the pass from Sol Mercado. Jonas Villanueva, layup niya. Mendez, rebound easily. Nakuha naman ito si Japet Aguilar.
A lot of missed layups here for Barako.
Justin Williams getting the pass. Actually, the defense of Barako na talaga naman bumubuhay sa kanila in the last 2 minutes of the game. Willie Miller, titigada mula sa labas. Nako, mukhang nabubuhay na sa kanilang mga 3-point shooting naman. Itong mga taga-Global Port Battlefield at hindi pumapasok yung kanilang mga attempt from that area. Earlier it was Gary David, Willie Miller, mintis din yung kanyang tikada. Now is Danny Siegel, pupukol sa tres! Wow, all the points of Barako Bull galing dito kay Danny Siegel. Who now has tallied all the 5 points, 91-86. Hindi pa nakakascore dito ang Global Port. Tari lang siya, ito si Sol Mercado. He has to be more aggressive sa kanilang mga atake sa loob.
It's a 3-point lead being protected now by Barako. Ang pumutok dito is si Danny Siegel. Playing the 4 position. Nick Pinisi, nakaupo.
Jonas Villanueva against seeing Danny Siegel. There's a foul from behind Willie Miller. Say, not really a good foul to give up.
Actually, lucky break yun for Barako because well, he was a 3-point shot galing kay Danny Siegel, pero kanina yung pasa ni Siegel medyo
wala na.
Hindi magandang pasa yun. Swerte Barako, nakakuha sila ng foul from Global.
7 seconds sa shot clock ng Barako. At dito na kailangan higpitan ng bantay. Imbes ay naluwagan pa itong mga shooters from the outside. Luckily for Global Port, vintage yung tira ni Jonas Villanueva. But even Brock wisely saving the ball by hitting it on the foot of Sol Mercado.
Well, hustle play here coming from Barako.
Fresh 24-second shot clock para sa Energy Colas. That's Joshua Pistono with the cross court. Danny Siegel, haling ito, balik to the fireball.
Talagang hindi nila mahanap si Brock sa ilalim. Brock is well guarded by Japet Aguilar.
Jonas, balik kay Joe Santres na Mintes. Nakukuha ni Japet Aguilar. Willie Miller. Ito, 2-on-1. Justin Williams losing it to Jonas Villanueva. Parang ginagawa ng Kenderon na kinito.
Well, sinasabi natin, yung Barako, it's not only just their 3-point shot, it's their defense. At pinakita nila doon how important that 1-on-1 defense is. Nag-uubos sila ng oras ngayon, but they cannot afford to be tentative. Ito! Jonas Villanueva sa wakas, nakakuha ng layup.
Well, at sasabihin ko kasi, I have to agree with you when you talk about the non-defense, or the defense or the lack of it mula sa nakupunan ng Global Port. Ganon-ganon na lamang inaatake ni Jonas Villanueva. Ito yung depensa ni Jonas. Yung mahigpit niyang depensa, harapan inagawan niya si Justin Williams. At nung siya naman ang atake, Walang kabantay-bantay. Parang nagra-round robin lang. Ito si Jonas Villanueva.
Well, in that situation, si Japet Aguilar, nakatutok siya kay Evan Brock. Baka mapasahan ni Jonas.
Okay.
Let's try to listen into Global Port.
Meron 2 screens for Gary. Gary, dito ka. Dito inbound. 1, go, and then stack. Go. We need a 3-point shot. Ha? Come on, let's go. 1. Haba pa yan.
A Global Port player saying mahaba pa yan. At totoo yan, sapagkat kanina, nung regulation natin, 1 minute and 25, lamang po ng 8 ang kupunan ng Global Port. At nagawa ng paraan ng Barako Bullets. Dito naman sa overtime, 1 minute and 41, only a 5-point lead. At bola pa ng kupunan ng Global Port. I think kailangan kalimutan muna nila yung mga atake nila ay yung kanilang mga tikada mula sa 3-point line. I think they have to be very aggressive inside.
What about this combination on the floor for Coach Junel Baculi? Wala ang kanilang import. Instead, they have Jonathan Salvador and Japet Aguilar taking care of the front line.
Gary David, sa tres pa rin sila titikada. And of course, dahil sabi mo nga, wala yung import, walang kukuha ng kanilang rebound. So the leadership from the point, aside from Sol Mercado, yun ang nag-ulang dito sa kupunan ng Global Port. Unlike itong sa Barako, Jonas and Josh Villanueva providing the leadership very well. Jonas Villanueva again, leaving Josh Villanueva free for 3!
And Obistondo hitting the 3-point shot. It looks like they're staying alive with that 3-point shot.
24 big points for Josh Obistondo. Wow! 8-point lead all of a sudden para din sa Barako Bull. And Global Port bottom pair in a shock. What as to what hit them? At the last 2 minutes of the regulation at dito sa ating overtime.
13 3-point conversions out of 40 for Barako Bull. Grabe, no? Ang tinira nilang 3-point shot sa laro na ito. 40 3-point shots compared to 47 2-point attempts.
Well, kasama kasi dun sa kanilang kumpiyansa, sa kanilang mga tres, yung kumpiyansa nila na may re-rebound kinito.
Halos one-on-one, ano? Yung nga sinasabi natin ngayon na kung titira ka ng 3-point shot, ang anticipation mo yung long rebound. So dapat ma-position mo ang sarili mo, no? If you're an import who likes to be close to the rim for the rebound, hindi mo makukuha yung mga long rebound yun, no matter how big your wingspan is.
1 minute remaining in overtime. At 8 puntos ang kalamangan ng Barako Bull Energy Gola. Gary David, titikada pa rin mula sa 3. Dalawang magkasunod na namin attempts niya mula sa 3-point land. And Joshua Bistondo this time will tell his partner Jonas Villanueva to waste the clock.
I don't know what message Coach Junel Baculi is delivering to Justin Williams. He's sitting him down in this crucial stretch ng overtime.
Alley-oop to Brock and a completion dito sa partnership dito si Jonas Villanueva and Evan Brock.
And guess what? It's now a 10-point lead by Barako. What a reversal. Kanina nakita natin sa 4th period ng 10-point lead ang global.
Tama ka dyan, kinito ha. Shock na itong mga batang pair. Gary David, tira niya sa 3, wala pa rin. Yung tatlong mga attempts niya mula din sa 3-point line, ayaw. At ito, tatahi pa ito si Joseph Bistondo. And the defense of Global Port denying them of an almost a victory. Ang regulation na nakaw pa.
Well, this is a nice birthday present for Coach Raiko Toroman. 22-2 run to end the game. Unbelievable run.